All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate y'all tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, leave me some comments down in this comment section. In this video, we're gonna go over the tone curve and the color mixer in Lightroom Classic. Let's jump into it. I don't know why that came up. All right, so let's go to a different photo this time. Let's go to these guys right here. All right. So the tone curve and the color mixer are two tools that people use to polish up their images and get them a lot better, a lot better as far as the highlights, lights, darks, shadows, things of that nature. Let's go back up to the basics right quick. I'm just gonna hit auto and see what Lightroom gives me. Give me something usable. Hit that. And then we're gonna go straight to the tone curve. With this one, I like to use the sliders. You could use the curve. I don't use it that much. I like using sliders, lights and darks. It does the same thing as you can see. It gives you a curve because it's called a tone curve. Make your darks darker, a little bit darker. There's the shadows. Add to it. It's all look and feel for me. And this bottom, as you can see right here, your highlights is on the top right. Your lights is in the kind of in the middle. Your darks is at the bottom middle, and your shadows are at the bottom. So you can play with the curve to adjust it. You can use the sliders at the bottom, but yeah, that's how that goes. And then for the next one, well, let's go down to the color mixer. Color mixer is HSL, hue, saturation, luminance. You can change a lot of things about the colors in this thing, in this panel. I keep it on hue, saturation, color. And when I'm shooting football, let me show you one quick thing that how I really learned this tool a lot better. You see how the grass is really, really green, but it has a yellow tint to it? Or like even people's skin. Like if you go back to that photo I was editing, go to this guy's skin. This photo is out of focus. Say they were a little bit too orange, or their pigment didn't look right. A lot of people's skin is orange, right at that orange level. So you can take the pigment a little bit farther out and they look a little bit more natural instead of having that orange tint to it. African American people, particularly, if you take a picture, sometimes the colors from Canon, Nikon, whatever brand you're shooting with, they'll add a little orange tint to them. So you take that orange saturation back a little bit and it makes them look a little bit more natural. Especially African-American black folks. All right, so let's go back to this football picture. And this one really shows you the power of the HSL and the color mixer. Where this grass is green, but it really has a lot of yellow in it. You know what I mean? Has a lot of yellow, hints of yellow in it. So if you take it, that looks a little bit more natural to me than this overblown yellow-green grass. So you can take saturation out of different colors. That takes out the purples that's in the photo, which a lot of people a lot of colors in the on your camera is gonna show up. A lot of blues, a lot of purples, in order to make those colors pop. The teal seats are really blue, so you can take that out or add to it with the color mixer. In the hue part of it, you can make the greens greener or the greens yellower. Took the saturation out of the yellow, right? And I could take the yellow and make it greener. As you can see on this side, the yellow goes into green. Green comes from yellow and then goes into blue. You know what I mean? Blue comes into that aqua and then goes into purple, which I think is changing these folks up here more than anything. But the color mixer is very, very powerful as far as controlling your colors. And then even your greens, you can change it from a dark green to a light green, luminance, which is adding light to color. Make your yellow darker, yellow hints darker or lighter. And this is something that you really could change the whole look and feel of your photo. Play around with those things. Leave me some comments. Tell me what you're thinking. And if this was useful to you, like it, share it, subscribe it. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Y'all take care of yourself. And I'm gone.